Now let's see this, or we have seen FCFS, right? So now we will see why there is certain problem in FCFS. So let's see here, then we will see this example. Okay, so in this example, process number is given, arrival time is given, burst time is given, so we have to calculate all these three. Okay, so now we have to do the NAT chart first. So here is our NAT chart, and now the least arrival time is 0. So 0 is corresponding to P1, process number 1. Okay, so it is 0 to, oh okay, it is 20, it is a lot of time, so let's say 20. So this one is done. So next is P2 and P3. There is a tie, both the processes are coming at the same time only, number 1. So it might be nanoseconds or whatever, it will be given in your question. So let's say this is coming at 1 nanosecond, this is also coming at 1 nanosecond. Okay, so now let's take P2 with the lowest number, so P2. So now its burst time is 2, so 20 plus 2 is 22. So this is also done. Now P3 is having 1, so P3 is having 1, so this is 23. So now completion time. So I have told you to go from right side to left side. So this is not working. 1 second. So my blue pens are not working. So now let's see the completion time. So let's go from right side to left side. So P3 is at the last, so its completion time is 23. Now next P2 is completing at 22, so this is completion time of P2. P1 is completing at 20. Okay, so now TAT. So TAT means we have already seen TAT is equal to CT minus AT. Okay, so this minus this, so 20 minus 0 is 20, 22 minus 1 is 21, 23 minus 1 is 22. Okay, so this is our TAT. So TAT. So now you can find out average TAT by this 20. So let me write it down here. So average TAT is 20 plus 21 plus 22 divided by 3, whatever is the answer. So now waiting time. Waiting time means TAT minus BT. Okay, so now here 20 minus 20 is 0, 21 minus 2 is 19, 22 minus 1 is 21. So average waiting time here is 19, actually 0. So 0 plus 19 plus 21, so divide by 3. So this is 40 by 3. So this is our average waiting time. Okay, so this is quite big. Okay, so this is actually quite big. So now let's see if we change the arrival times of this this process. If we change the arrival times here, so let's see. So now we have arrival time changed. So P1 is arriving at 1, P2 and P3 are arriving at 0 and 0. So let's take P2 first. So P2, it is having burst time 2. Okay, so this is done. Next least arrival time is P3. Okay, don't go to P1 because least arrival time we are seeing. So next is P3. So P3 is having burst time 1. So this is 2 plus 1, sorry. So this is 3. Now last is P1. So it is having 20 burst time, 20 plus 3 is 23. So now again completion time of P1 is 23. From this side we are seeing P3 is 3, P2 is 2. TAT means CT minus AT, 23 minus 1 is 22. This is 2, this is 3, this minus this, 3 minus 0. Again now sorry, waiting time is TAT minus BT. 22 minus 20 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2. So now see how drastically waiting time average waiting time is 2 plus 2 is 4 divided by 3. See how much drastically this has changed from 40 by 3 to 4 by 3. So this is our convoy effect. Okay, so the thing is, because we have changed the arrival time, see this is convoy means what? So when a lot of like a fleet of ships are going, this is convoy. Okay, so this is happening, this is a certain problem in FCFS. So if we change the arrival time, you can see that drastically the average waiting time is decreased. Okay, so this is this is happening in FCFS. It might not happen later. We will see later, like shortest remaining and everything. Okay, so we will see that. But here this effect, convoy effect, is present in FCFS.